talking to you today about ledger wallets, hardware ledger wallets, okay, and why you should be getting them. Before I get in, disclaimer, I'm not financial advisor, just education purposes only, so let's roll the video. So guys, go over to digitaltrends.com and follow along with this article, okay? So if you're holding crypto, you need a wallet like Ledger, and we're gonna tell you why today. Not your keys, not your coins. It's an incredibly simple concept, but it means exchanging in the world of cryptocurrency. If you store your coins on an exchange, it may seem like you own them until you run into any number of prevalent obstacles. For example, if you try to withdraw more cryptocurrency than the platform allows, yes, there is usually a limit. You will be denied, okay? But this isn't a problem regulated just to exchange. It can also happen with any wallet provider that doesn't allow you to own the private keys. So leaving them in custody of a third party is never a good idea. And that's precisely why you need a hardware wallet like Ledger. It is the most secure platform for all your crypto needs, and it will keep your keys and coins safe. Here are just a few of the things that Ledger's hardware wallet provides beyond the unmatched security. So ease of use and versatility. Ledger can be used to securely store all of your crypto, like a personal bank vault, locking away your private keys, which only you can access. That means you get the full ownership of all your assets, but Ledger also adds some incredibly convenient functionality, making the hardware wallets more versatile than ever. Okay, you could also buy, sell, exchange, and earn crypto securely through a variety of providers directly via the Ledger Live app. Some examples include Wire, Paraswap, Coinfly, Changerly, and more. You can decide exactly where your crypto goes and what's done with it. Ledger also provides access so you can manage your NFT and your DeFi portfolio through other external providers from within its application. Okay, so they say it's one key to rule them all. When setting up a Ledger device for the first time, it will actually generate a list of 24 words, a master key, if you will. That one key rules them all, allowing you to manage all of your private keys stored on your wallet. So it serves only as the backup of your crypto assets and is extremely important because your keys remain offline, secure within the hardware wallet. Nobody actually can access or use the wallet or any store funds besides you. Now, what exactly are Ledger hardware wallets? All right, so currently there's two different kinds available through Ledger. You got the Ledger Nano, it's $59 averagely, okay, and you've got the Ledger Nano X, which is $119. Now, the dedicated, trusty mobile app that comes with it is, of course, another important aspect of using Ledger's half wallet, and it actually gains you access to the dedicated mobile desktop app just by buying it. So from within the app, you can check your balance, review your portfolio, send or receive crypto, buy more, sell crypto or fiat, exchange for another currency, and more. The app is actually accessible online through a web browser as well, so you can always check from a laptop or a desktop. Now guys, I want to take you over to medium.com, links will be down below, okay, and show you there is other branded hardware wallets. You got Engrave, okay, which is incredible. It's a new competitor on the scene. You can see here number 2 on Medium is actually the Ledger hardware wallet that we've been speaking about. But there's loads of different choices you can go. What I would say is you definitely have to have one to keep secure. If I was going to pick one, it would be the Ledger Nano, okay? But like I said, go through this article, have a look. There's Bitbox, there's different kinds of one, there's CUX Stone, okay? They all do the same thing, but what I definitely want you to do is do your own research. Find one that you feel comfortable with. The last thing you want to do is not get one of these, okay? If it's not the Ledger, if you're so against it, make sure you get a hardware wallet, okay? The Ledger wallet, like I said, is incredible, okay? It's a France-based startup company, and it looks like a typical USB thumb drive, except with a steel shield, and device can actually be connected to any mobile device and personal computer, okay? It's incredible. And the Bluetooth connectivity and mobile support and major upgrades that Ledger Nano X has over the Ledger Nano S. So if you're looking for that more powerful version, get the Ledger Nano X. It's just a no-brainer. It's the most popular hardware wallet out there. Okay, so definitely do your own research, guys. Let me know in the comments what you choose, because I know what I'm going for. I'm going for the Ledger Nano X. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'm going to see you next time.